Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? Today we are going to cover an interesting topic in Python. The feature that we are going to cover is what makes the modern Python modern, differentiated from the older versions of Python, and that is type hinting. So let's understand what is type hinting and why it makes our life easier. For example, you have a pantry. You have by yourself put the ingredients in the specific jars. But others may face challenge in finding in which jar what has been put. In fact, you can also face challenge if you come home after a long trip and you may pick up a flour instead of a salt. So, to make your pantry organized and to facilitate others so that they can also use your kitchen and make some delicious dishes, you have named all of your jars. So easier the life is now. So easier. You and all of your friends now can use the pantry and make the recipe that they want without making any errors in the ingredients. That's how you can use type hinting in your Python code. For example, if you are using an integer and saving it in the variable called count, you can specify that this is an integer. If you are using a variable for saving a message, something like hi, how are you? For extra safety, you may say and type that this is a string. So even when your friends read your code, they don't get confused and they know specifically that where what type is used. And consider that the Python does not needs type hinting. It does not need the type hinting to compile your code and interpret it. It is only for you and your friends and for the tools, for the development tools that use these type hinting to solve the errors prior of compiling of code being compiled or interpreted by the interpreter. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next lesson.